Lekki.
You know how you're going to look. Now she is back.
Lekki. I thought she trusted.
Now she is confirmed that she does. Okay, Khana.
The way
Khana.
something similar to your prompter.
Okay. So from now onwards, we are going to look at Kaushalya Arthashastra a little bit technically.
The real class starts.
I mean, if you look at the syllabus, it contains two parts of it. One is the philosophical side and the textual side. So what Meenal Madam did was more the philosophical side. मैं आपको 2-4 tips दूंगा how to understand teachers. And it's very important. How to understand teachers, how to understand textbooks. Because this is also a very important training that you should receive whenever you join any particular course. Number one, no teacher is good or bad. No teacher is good or bad. Their expressions may be different. Okay? तो यहाँ पे खड़ा हो जाता है he or she is because they have some knowledge and experience. The communication style शायद similar नहीं होगा, but सब में depth होता है. Okay? और अपने देश का एक सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम यही रहा है कंपैरिजन. उसके जैसा क्यों नहीं है? Compare. So you know stop that. And it got into a system so much कि 2 बच्चों में कंपेयर करते हैं. अरे वो देखो कितना अच्छा पढ़ता है. Exactly. So as you rightly pointed out, it's important that each teacher is unique. Each teacher cannot be equal. हमारे यहाँ पे it's a more a research and thinking based course. यहाँ पे 1+1 2 है, ये तो fundamental rule है, बराबर है? But you also want to know the different viewpoints. So यहाँ पे the kind of now more or less the whole the number of teachers and the papers and the syllabus and the timetable is almost like close to parallel. तो आपको टाइम के हिसाब से पता है 9 to 4 Saturday Sundays. तो अभी वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ना. टीचर्स वी आल्सो गेटिंग फाइनलाइज्ड. अब क्या होगा कि वी गेट इनटू अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ वो थोड़ा भी सेट क्या बोलते हैं ना क्रिकेट खेलने जाते थोड़ा सेट होने का टाइम लगता है. आई थिंक मोर और लेस इट्स डन बट नाउ द एकेडमिक पेस विल स्टार्ट. So I'll talk about the other teachers and all later on. Let's start with our main topic, which is Kaushalya Arthashastra. Always keep referring to your syllabus. It's very important कि जब आप कार चला रहे हो ना तो आपको जाना कहाँ है और कहाँ तक पहुँचे. Because all these teachers will come and syllabus है सबके पास है. Online है, WhatsApp पे डाला हुआ है. So I think Chetan you only put it on the WhatsApp, right? You can pass it on again. You know there is a WhatsApp. It's very much available on PDF. I would suggest एक hard copy निकाल के रख दो print out. So you know कहाँ तक हो गए हैं. Because all the teachers who will be coming, they will be teaching their respective papers and those units. All of them will be teaching that. You don't have to look at it. Don't worry at this particular point. But we should know where we are heading to. So whether you have it or मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि how many papers are you going to cover up? 4. No, 16 in all. Total कितने 2 साल में? 16. तो इसलिए आपको बता देता हूँ just to understand where we are. Year number 1 में we have SEM 1, SEM 2. Okay. Year number 2 में you have SEM 3 and SEM 4. Correct? इतना तो पता है? और इसमें 1, 2, 3, 4 पेपर्स होंगे. Each of the set. टोटल कितने हो गए? 16. और इंटरेस्टिंगली ईयर 1 जो है इसमें पेपर 1, पेपर 5, पेपर 6, पेपर 7 and 8 बेसिकली 4 है. लेकिन क्या होगा कि यहाँ पे becomes 5, राइट? SEM 2 हेलो भाई. ये पेपर और ये पेपर एक्चुअली इज वन एंड द सेम. दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू नो कि इसका जो है वो ही आपको सेकंड सेम में होगा. दिस विल बी लेट्स से SEM 1 वो फर्स्ट जो अक्टूबर नवंबर व्हाटएवर भी डिसाइड तक चलेगा. लेकिन वही यहाँ पे चलेगा. ओके. सो व्हाट इज दैट फर्स्ट पेपर इन SEM 1? इट्स कॉल्ड Understanding Leadership from Global Perspective. So paper 5, which is second part of the year, में भी वही होगा. But the units being taught are different. Units being taught are different. Paper 2 क्या है? यहाँ पे भी क्या होगा? कौटिल्य अर्थशास्त्र, करेक्ट. पेपर 3 क्या है? एनलाइटेड लीडरशिप, डेवलप ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी. एनलाइटेड लीडरशिप, एनलाइटेड लीडरशिप. यहाँ पे भी मैं क्या बात करता हूँ? अंडरस्टैंडिंग लीडरशिप, अंडरस्टैंडिंग लीडरशिप. पेपर 4 क्या है? लीडरशिप इन एंशिएंट इंडियन टेक्स्ट. ओके, लीडरशिप इन एंशिएंट इंडियन टेक्स्ट. Are you getting a clear picture now?
Yes.
अब क्या होगा कि lot of people will come and they'll mix match. Don't worry about that. मैं बोला आप पहले सीखो. तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई वर टू आस्क यू दैट मीना मैम ने आज जो लेक्चर लिया वो कहाँ पे फिट होगा? Exactly. But you never know that some of the insights can be useful in enlightened leadership also. Because you look at the 3 concept sheet too. Wasn't she talking about the quality of an enlightened leader? So your beauty is that even though she may come prepared for this, you can answer to this question also. अब समझ रहे हैं? इससे पहले गैदर करो, फिर उसको कैसे सिस्टमेटिकली कहाँ यूज करना बाद में देखेंगे. डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. डोंट वरी अबाउट एग्जाम्स बिकॉज इट्स नॉट. यहाँ पे बहुत मिक्स मैच होगा. नाउ रिमेंबर द प्रोफेसर हु केम नॉट बीइंग एबल टू लिसन टू सावन सर, उन्होंने कौन सा पेपर चलाया? कहाँ पे फिट होता है? Global leadership की और African लिया, right? We will be having teachers who will come and teach you specialists in German leadership. Okay? They will come and teach you probably Japanese leadership. Indian leadership में नहीं आएगा, वो बाद में आएगा, क्योंकि Indian leadership में तो पूरा subject ही है, right? So all these professors will come. We will tell them कि आपको इस subject पे teach करना है, so they will come. But what may happen is that you will have to see that ये जो है यहाँ पे भी कहाँ पे भी use कर सकते हैं. And as Shudha Joshi madam put it, some of the examples from here can be given here also, and vice versa, right? You can get a lot of perspective around this. This particular thing is very very essential. यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे भी. I don't want to focus on this two right now because currently, because it's a new batch, we have only formalized this. मतलब ये साल, which is let's say till October. And this is till March या April जो भी होगा हम देखते हैं of 2017. But 17-18 का syllabus is still evolving. But one of the plans we have, वो देखते हैं हम लोग कैसे करना है, is this part interestingly will not be too much of lecture based. We'll be working with industries. So all the people are worried कि उनको job कहाँ मिलेगा. And all the people who are already working will have wow, अच्छा ये सब मैंने theory सीखा है, अपने कंपनी में अप्लाई कर सकते हो. So you know there is thing called internship. We're evolving that. So यहाँ पे आप ये साल आपको देखोगे बहुत सारे concepts मिलेंगे आपको. बहुत सारे concepts मिलेंगे. यहाँ पे भी मिलेंगे. But you know as you move progressively, you will find more application driven. And I'm telling you for all the freshers, here is a golden opportunity. You start working as you're studying, right? And for all the recruiters over here, please identify the young fresh talent here. Even the leaders require good followers. But the thing is that your worry about what will happen after the course is your main concern, isn't it?
No.
And not for the people who are working. I'm talking about freshers. Isn't it a concern? हाँ बोलो ना यार. What I'm trying to tell is that यहाँ पे आपको But all I'm telling is that for those people who are worried कि कोर्स से क्या फायदा होगा, the concern is not here, your concern is here. यहाँ से आप अगर कर दो ना, 6 महीने में आपको पूरा काम करने को मिलता है, then probably you get recruited day 1. I'm just talking about the pressure. But the other ones will start wondering यार ये सब theory सीख लेकिन अपने कंपनी, अपने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, अपने स्ट्रेटजी में क्या कर रहे हैं. We're still working on that. Some of the experts are helping us out. That's what we are saying is industry academic partnership, and it has to be more practical nowadays. ठीक है क्लियर? I will come back. ये structure में this is a very important framework. Isn't it true?
Yes.
Okay, so वो हम लोग देखते हैं. But what is very interesting is that ये जो book है कौटिल्य अर्थशास्त्र जो 6000 सूत्र हम देखेंगे, you will have some inputs here also, 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 सब जगह हो जाएगा. I'll give you an example. If you look at the syllabus, okay, you don't have to refer to it. अब देखोगे तो आपको पता चल जाएगा. देखिए, first ये जो है, this is understanding leadership. उसमें there are types of leadership. वो अपना ऑलरेडी लेक्चर चालू हो गया. Local to global, Asian है, African है, Western. You start getting feel of that already. डोंट वरी अबाउट द नोट्स एंड ऑल, आपको एटलीस्ट कोई ना कोई उसका सिखा रहा है। आशीष त्रिवेदी ने लिया टाइप्स ऑफ लीडरशिप के ऊपर, एशियन अभी जापानीज आएंगे तो वो कवर हो रहा है। देन वी विल हैव समथिंग कॉल्ड एज सप्तांग मॉडल। यू सीन दैट पेपर 1 में ही देयर इज सप्तांग मॉडल। नाउ दैट कम्स एक्चुअली फ्रॉम कौटिल्य अर्थशास्त्र। तो ये आप समझ लोगे तो इसमें आपको सप्तांग मॉडल मिल जाएगा। सो 4 चीज में से एक चीज उसमें अर्थशास्त्र में ऑलरेडी आ गई। गेटिंग द पॉइंट? पेपर 2 तो कंप्लीटली अर्थशास्त्र है, राइट? उसमें हम लोग आज थोड़ा बहुत टॉपिक्स कवर करेंगे। एंड देन पेपर 3 व्हिच इज एनलाइटेंड लीडरशिप, उसमें वी हैव वन कंसेप्ट व्हिच इज कॉल्ड राजऋषि एंड आन्वीक्षिकी। यू सी दिस? पेपर 3 में भी आपके पास आन्वीक्षिकी, जो मैडम मैम ने पूछा ना आप आन्वीक्षिकी सिखाया गया ब्रिटिश। ओके, पेपर 4 में भी, पेपर 4 में आई टेल यू एज एन एग्जांपल, नहीं पेपर 4 में नहीं, पेपर 4 में व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग टू डू इज दैट गो बियॉन्ड अर्थशास्त्र एंड लुक एट लीडरशिप फ्रॉम एंशिएंट इंडियन टेक्स्ट। दैट लेक्चर्स हैव स्टिल नॉट स्टार्टेड। We'll have experts coming in from Sanskrit department will be taking those from Ramayana, Mahabharata and all. ठीक है? So why am I telling you is that ये जो आप सीखने वाले हो ना कौटिल्य अर्थशास्त्र will have impact everywhere, will have impact here also. और ये टेक्स्ट बुक मैंने आपको बोला था बाकी कुछ खरीदो नहीं खरीदो, आई एम ओके विद दैट, बाकी आप करो, लेकिन ये आई वाज सजेस्टिंग दैट प्लीज हार्ड कॉपी लो, नॉट इवन सॉफ्ट कॉपी। देयर आर 2-3 रीजंस फॉर इट। नंबर 1, अगर आपको पूछा जाए एट द एंड ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर कोर्स आपने एमए लीडरशिप में क्या सीखा, एक लाइन में कौटिल्य अर्थशास्त्र। गेट माय पॉइंट? सो दिस इज योर प्राइमरी बेसिक टेक्स्ट। हमने चाणक्य सीखा, या कॉन्फिडेंटली बोल सकते हो, आप समझ रहे हो? गेटिंग द पॉइंट? सो व्हेन वी डिड अ प्रीवियस बैच ऑफ यू नो दैट होल कोर्स हमने जो किया था 6 months का, वी ओनली टॉट अर्थशास्त्र फुल 6000 सूत्रास, सूत्र बाय सूत्र। अनफॉर्चुनेटली वी विल नॉट बी डूइंग दैट because there are so many things. Yet we will do all that. We'll do all that in a different way. क्योंकि यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि बेसिकली यू आर गेटिंग अ मास्टर्स डिग्री एंड लेट मी टेल यू इफ आई वर टू गिव अ चॉइस, पूरा पढ़ने के बाद भी ये मॉडल अच्छा है। रीजन इज दैट यू गॉट सो मेनी पर्सपेक्टिव्स। अभी क्या हो रहा है, आपको बहुत सारे पर्सपेक्टिव्स मिल रहे हैं बट चाणक्य नहीं समझ में आ रहा। बाद में क्या हो जाएगा, चाणक्य समझने के बाद बाकी सबके पर्सपेक्टिव समझ में आए। Getting a point? It's always good to understand Chanakya and other perspectives. It is not Chanakya versus them. It is Chanakya and them. So आपके लिए एक चीज बहुत है, because all the concepts I will be covering, be it scientific leadership, enlightened leadership, ये leadership, वो leadership, सब जाके एक आदमी ने सब कुछ कर दिया। So I hope you have got the books. For those who don't have, please buy it. Please keep it. I think the good news that everybody has already. क्या है extra books?
2 मिनट में आएगा ना एजुकेशन भी है, आई मीन 2 एक्स्ट्रा है।
ठीक है, मतलब कपड़ों में क्यों? ठीक है। For those people who still who can't afford it, I would say 2000 तो मैनेज कर लो, नहीं हुआ तो भी नेक्स्ट क्लास में जेरोक्स कॉपी लेंगे। इसका हार्ड हुआ, मैं तो इतना 2000 रुपये फिर 2200, प्लीज इन्वेस्ट इट, इट्स वर्थ इट, राइट? तो इसका जो डिफरेंस है लाइफ में क्या हो सकता है आपको बाद में चलेगा। Not only that, it can help you throughout your life. It can be a reference book. तो मैं कहता हूँ कि बाकी सब बुक आप लो नहीं लो, सॉफ्ट कॉपी रखो, हार्ड कॉपी रखो, leave that choice to all of you, individual choices. But if I were to ask one teacher to say कि कौन सा बुक खरीदना, ये खरीद के रखो, it has helped me. Okay. So now looking at this, again going by syllabus, you don't have to look at syllabus, but I tell you that we are actually covering something which is a part of paper 2. Okay? Paper 2 क्या है? कौटिल्य अर्थशास्त्र. And I'll help you to understand the units in that. So next time ये भी आप रेफरेंस में रख लो, नहीं रखे हो तो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, we'll cover it up. During exams देखेंगे, क्वेश्चन बैंक के आपको दे देंगे. So we are going to cover up Kautilya's Arthashastra. Got it?
Sir, from next time onwards, which
I'll tell you. So let's keep the questions toward the end. Because I'm going to cover it up during the whole thing. मैं आपको सब बताऊंगा. Okay? Now, Unit 1. मैं आपको जस्ट बताता हूँ, पेपर 2 जो है ना, which is कौटिल्य अर्थशास्त्र, has got 3 units. It has got 3 units. ये सबको बताने के लिए Unit 1, 2 and 3. Unit 1, which we are going to cover up today right now, paper 2 का Unit 1 is called textual study. एंड इंट्रोडक्शन टू कौटिल्य अर्थशास्त्र जो आज मैं इंट्रोड्यूस करूंगा, हिस्टोरिकल एंड फिलोसफिकल. Interestingly, we have covered up the historical part in a little bit in detail. Who was Chanakya? What did he do? When did he live? Remember that?
Yes.
But today also we look at it the philosophical side. जो मैडम ने बताया, you know, introduction to this. So somewhere we have done it, but we'll still go through it historical and philosophical. Next, we are going to actually introduce you to अर्थशास्त्र. When you say introduce, कि अर्थशास्त्र क्या है background, कितने scholars ने काम किया है, और आपके पास जो किताब है उसकी खासियत क्या है. तो आज का लेक्चर उस पर होगा. Unit 2 is very interesting. Unit 2 is the first chapter of Arthashastra called as Anvikshiki. Remember Neelam ma'am was asking, अरे आपने Anvikshiki नहीं लिया? देखो ये कैसा मालूम है क्या? Anvikshiki is a very interesting subject. शुरुआत भी वहीं से होती है, अंत भी वहीं से होता है. चाणक्य का शुरुआत भी Anvikshiki से होता है, अंत भी मतलब वो नहीं कि आखिर का चैप्टर का नाम Anvikshiki. It is not like that. The idea of telling is that everything about Chanakya is Anvikshiki, which we will see as a complete unit. इसके ऊपर एक दो लेक्चर अलग से होंगे. Just to tell it in one shot, it teaches us how to think. And leadership is about thinking, right?
Yes.
कैसे सोचना, perspectives, ये वो decision making, वो ये सब. So unit number 2 is Anvikshiki. जिसमें we will be covering a philosophical methodology of critical thinking. There is a method to thinking. The philosophical method to critical thinking. There are different philosophies within Anvikshiki, which we will see. Sankhya, Yoga, and Lokayata, and references of Anvikshiki other text. मतलब क्या होता है? चाणक्य ने Anvikshiki और बात किया, but Anvikshiki is there in the other textbooks of India also. For example, द्रौपदी ने Anvikshiki सीखा था. Draupadi was an expert in Anvikshiki. One of the subjects taught in the Mahabharata is Anvikshiki. It means Anvikshan, ability to think, research. उसके ऊपर हम लोग सब्जेक्ट देखेंगे. And there are hundreds of references. जब मैंने पहली बार सुना, मैंने asked what is Anvikshiki? It looks like a new term, right? It's a very common term. Because Indian methodology is about not accepting. It is logically understanding, critical thinking. So if you are not saying हाँ हो गया, कैसे हो गया, philosophically, logically, critically, so it's a complete process of thinking जो हम लोग देखेंगे. And leaders who use Anvikshiki are successful leaders. It's a very very prime part of it. And unit number 3,
It's a Sanskrit term.
it's a Sanskrit. If you come to that, इसका पूरा ये मैं आपको बताता हूँ. Practical, this unit number 3 is going to be practicals. Okay? और देखिए हर पेपर में 3 यूनिट्स रहेंगे. यूनिट 1 अलग अलग पेपर के हिसाब से बड़े प्रैक्टिकल कॉम्पोनेंट, राइट, विच विल सी हाउ टू इवॉल्व इट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल उसमें 10 मार्क क्लास टेस्ट का होता है, 10 मार्क ओवरऑल परफॉर्मेंस एंड 20 मार्क ऑन ए प्रैक्टिकल प्रोजेक्ट असाइनमेंट. जैसे कि आज मैंने आपको असाइनमेंट दिया है, तो हम लोग फर्स्ट पेपर में फिट करने को देखेंगे कि स्वामी विवेकानंद का जो लेक्चर है और उसका आपने प्रोग्राम अटेंड किया, उसमें 650 to 1500 वर्ड्स लिखिएगा. Please don't limit yourself to 1500 words if you want to. मैं 650 और 1500 का रेंज दे रहा हूँ. Okay, it can go up to 3000 words if you like it. But I want to say कि at least start तो करो. 650 मिनिमम होना चाहिए. That's a good rate because हमारे पास you know सबका पढ़ना है तो 1500 तक की. Yeah.
No, I was just, you said we have to write only on this.
We'll come back to that. I'll just give you an example. So while going the homework part of it, I'll tell you the details.
One assignment has been already given before also. But Shubham
हम लोग कंप्लीट किए.
नहीं, that is not local to global. That is the next second is a
ठीक है, तो वो भी कर लो, तो वो आप लोग दूसरे पेपर के 10 मार्क्स पे डाल देंगे.
ठीक है.
तो देन भी मल्टीपल असाइनमेंट गिवन बाय मल्टीपल टीचर्स, और उन्होंने बोला है तो उस यूनिट पे हम लोग काम करते हैं. डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. हाँ बोलिए. वेट. My daughter's name is Anvikshiki. I have named my daughter as Anvikshiki. You know Draupadi's name is like very interesting. वो आएंगे उसको पूरा सीखना है. अभी तो इंट्रोडक्शन है, नाम है उसका पूरा. हाउ टू थिंक, नॉट ओनली क्रिटिकल, ऑल्टरनेटिव, फिलोसॉफिकल, लॉजिकल, एवरीथिंग पुट टुगेदर, लीगल. वो है, इट्स अ वेरी वेरी रिच साइंस व्हिच वी लॉस्ट. एंड चाणक्य स्टार्ट्स अर्थशास्त्र बाय सेइंग Anvikshiki प्रथम विद्या फॉर ए राजा. If you don't know how to think, you cannot be a leader. But thinking is not an emotional outburst. Huh? It is a very logical step. We'll come to that. Okay? So ये आपको structure समझ में आ गया आप कहाँ बैठ रहे हो and why it is important to study this particular book and to have this book because it is the base and the foundations of the whole course. 6000 सूत्र पूरा पढ़ना है? पढ़ेंगे.
चरणिशी भी
हाँ बोलिए. बोलिए.
देवनागरी मध्ये कसं लिहितात चरणिशी?
आहे ना संस्कृत बुक्स मध्ये आहे ना. मला दाखव. So keep your questions towards the end because most of them will be answered in between. Okay. So let me start by actually going by the paper just to complete the unit also. Who is Chanakya, Kautilya, Vishnugupta? वो तो आपको स्टोरी पता है? And I would suggest as an assignment, not as a formal assignment, an assignment to yourself, watch that one thing which came in ABP News.
हाँ, let's see watch.
हाँ? नहीं सब लोगों ने देखा नहीं है मुझे पता है.
recorded. उसका वो link
भारत
है
वर्ष,
YouTube का.
भारत वर्ष part 2.
हाँ, तो can somebody take where is our sir? हाँ.
लिंक सेंड करो.
हाँ, बट क्या होता है लिंक सेंड कर दीजिए किसी को हेल्प है तो सर से ले लीजिए आप लोग इंटरनली कोऑर्डिनेट कर ले चेतन सर बट वॉच इट बिकॉज आपको बैकग्राउंड ऑफ अर्थशास्त्र पता चलेगा एंड इट्स वेरी वेल मेड.
What is that actually? It's a serial.
It's a serial in ABP News which covered Kautilya अर्थशास्त्र and Chanakya as a one episode. तो ज़्यादा टाइम भी नहीं लगता है.
And part 3, the next episode is on Chandragupta Maurya.
हाँ, तो ये आगे और ब्रॉडकास्ट हो गया.
Yes.
So can we circulate that also, sir? Can we circulate that also? Part 3 was Chandragupta Maurya and Ashoka actually.
Yeah.
वो मैंने देखा नहीं है.
वो आ गया. YouTube पे है.
YouTube पे है ना? Sir, can you make a record of all this? Because last में क्या करेंगे? हाँ, तो compile कर दीजिए. So I would say, I would ideally have told you to watch all the 47 episodes of Dr. Chandraprakash Dwivedi.
Started that also.
हाँ, वो आप लेकिन क्या होता है कि I'm giving you the freedom. हाँ, I'll give you the freedom whether to look at the full 47 time है तो बहुत अच्छा है. But then it takes 47 hours.
Yes.
But I understand, but कर सकते हो तो अच्छा है. नहीं तो at least ये 2 episodes देख लीजिए. चाणक्य में डॉक्टर चंद्रप्रकाश यूट्यूब में है 47 एपिसोड.
You can watch 1, 2, 3, 4.
Sir,
हाँ.
So my suggestion was like today in the morning when we saw this video, it was very good, and everybody saw this whole life and all. So similarly, this 47 episodes can we do in the class 1 day, half an
टाइम
hour?
1.5 hours में
ड्रामा
47.
somebody was telling today drama.
हाँ वो करते हैं. हाँ थोड़ा देखें that this are not things. Please understand कि 47 episodes is 47 hours.
47. So our suggestion was not same day, like every Saturday, Sunday, we will complete the class. I was just asking everybody, say for
No.
Right now, let's not get into that.
हाँ get this to I'll tell you what मैं तो when we did a full time 6 months course वो 24 घंटा पे रुकते थे. Okay, तब हम लोग का every day evening was to watch a movie and believe me they watch more than 300 movies. In fact, I'm not getting that much quality time with all of you. इसलिए मेरा भाई we have identified more than 200 movies on leadership and we have that with us in our beta. सरदार वल्लभभाई पटेल, गांधी, then we have fantastic movies, Lincoln, सब है हमारे पास. But मैं आपको अभी दूंगा डर जाओगे बोले ये सब कौन देखेगा? So I'm telling you the 47 episodes. Ideally you should see, but I don't want to. आप घर जाते हुए आपको क्या टाइम मिलेगा पढ़ने के लिए? At least 70% of the class is already busy, right?
Yes.
But what I'm saying is that ये आपके रिकॉर्ड में रखोगे लाइफ में एक बार तो देखना है ड्यूरिंग दिस कोर्स या आफ्टरवर्ड्स. बट आई वुड से मिनिमम लुक एट दैट वन एपिसोड भारतवर्ष. वो देखा कितने लोगों ने देखा है वो? गुड वन.
Yes.
जस्ट रीसेंट इट. जस्ट वांट टू देखो 1 घंटा 40 मिनट्स है, नॉट इवन 1 घंटा.
Yeah.
उतना तो आप कर सकते हो ना.
Yes.
जब ट्रैवल करते हो तो आप मोबाइल पे देख लो, यूट्यूब में ही.
ऑफलाइन में देखते
हाँ, थोड़ा नहीं. So while looking at this, if you have to cover up and understand what is Kautilya Arthashastra's background, that you can see. Okay, next we get into the textual study. Okay, सबके पास टेक्स्ट बुक है? नहीं है तो एक दूसरे को हेल्प करो. Today is very important to understand the text itself. आपको बताता हूँ. But before you look at the text, let me give you a background. So don't look at the text right now. देखिए, मैंने आपको लास्ट टाइम भी बताया था. The original Kautilya Arthashastra was written in palm leaves उस जमाने में. And they used to actually, वो उस जमाने का जो पेन था, it was a different, you know, almost like a knife and you had to palm leaves में करते थे. चाणक्य ने ही लिखा है. ये गवर्नमेंट का अथॉरिटेटिव कार्बन डेटिंग वगैरह किया हुआ है. and that is available in the Mysore University. Mysore कहाँ पे होता है? कहाँ पे? कर्नाटक.
Karnataka.
वहाँ पे there is an Oriental Research Institution within the Mysore University. If you go to Mysore University, the huge, the city by itself, जैसा ये है ना, वहाँ पे कभी भी आपको चांस मिले तो Oriental Research Institute में जाना. And they have got lot of more than 80,000 manuscripts. कितना? 80,000 manuscripts. वो जो राजा था उनकी परंपरा में, they were all विद्वांस. And they called scholars. They collected.
Oriental
Research Institution of University of Mysore. उनकी परंपरा रही, they were all Raja Rishis. They were all kings who were knowledgeable people. Even under British rule. Britishers also were knowledgeable. Interestingly, one of the things we should learn from them is that they always respected knowledge. उनका knowledge का angle अलग होगा. I'll give an example. Do you know in town planning of Mumbai city, for their administration they had three different, this, what do you say, presidencies. Bombay presidency, Madras and Calcutta. बॉम्बे का आप देखिए उस जमाने में जब उन्होंने डिजाइन किया था, the tallest building was Bombay University, Rajabai Tower.
Yes.
It should show the direction and the time to the whole city. See, that's the vision. If you go to UK, and you should, if you go and look at all these universities that they created, you know, Oxford. Do you know how many years old is Oxford?
More than 100.
1,000. Yes. Yes, yes. Oxford and Cambridge are, 700 to minimum. And do you know one thing, if you go there, one of the interesting things that you will find is that Newton का वोट भी जहाँ पे एप्पल गिरा वो भी है. So maintained it. If you go to the Church of England, okay, which is if you go to England, वहाँ पर उनका जो पार्लियामेंट होता है ना, पार्लियामेंट का अंदर Church of England. Church of England, it's an open tourist spot. You go there, वहाँ पे न्यूटन का कवर है. They have saved the body of Newton and Darwin also. Yeah, it's all still there physically. There is in Oxford there is something called as a Newton Bridge. You can actually Newton वहाँ पे बैठ के सोचता है. Cambridge. So why am I telling you that they believed in institution building? And this is what you have to understand कि हमारा university degree course हो गया. They have a legacy. How many institutions in the university? हमारे यहाँ पे तक्षशिला नालंदा था. You know the word is था. And we can always say कि destroy किया, वो किया, ये किया. ठीक है, yeah, it's not good. But what is saying is that Britishers protected it. यहाँ से बहुत सारे books वहाँ पे हैं. At least उन्होंने बर्बाद तो नहीं किया. So I'm not happy they took it away, but I'm happy they maintained it. You understand the difference? So why am I telling you all these things, friends, is that during the British era also, this Raja of Mysore, उनका भी परंपरा रहा है. They always used to have discourses on Rajniti Shastras. Yeah, Raja, अगर देखोगे आपने शास्त्र one of the things is that you don't just run an organization. You have to have philosophical discussion with Vidwans. Is to come and all those things. And every Vidwan आता था, कुछ चर्चाएं होती थी, सभाएं बैठती थी. This should be documented and kept. हम लोग बोलते हैं सब डॉक्यूमेंट रखो. So परंपरा में मैसूर में जितने भी स्कॉलर्स आते थे उन्होंने कुछ लिख दिया, नोट कीपिंग करके 80,000 आज के जनरेशन में अवेलेबल है. आप सोचो. Okay, so when the Britishers came, they found this very good. So we also people, ये लोग भी सेव करते हैं knowledge को, हम भी knowledge को value करते हैं. So a good partnership of that era. This was almost 50-60 years before India got freedom. So Britishers ने concept लेके आया. Why are you talking? क्या बोले? हाँ ठीक है. Okay, Britishers ने एक अच्छा concept लेके आया, which is called curating. You know what is curating mean? क्या है? Preserve. When we preserve, they say okay, they got funds into that, they got people into it. पढ़ा हुआ है. फिर पढ़ा हुआ क्या चीज़ है? तो अशोक जी बहुत अच्छा बता देते हैं. You may have lot of knowledge, but if you don't systemize it, देखो आपके पास जो बुक जब चाहिए तब मिले ना, then you are a good person, isn't it? मेरे पास बहुत सारी किताबें लाओ, ढूंढते नहीं, पलंग के ऊपर है, पलंग के नीचे दूसरे घर पे है. See, understand this, we are not good in organizing. If you can find what you want when you want it, then you are a good manager. Today what is happening is that if you go to Google and you type something आता है ना, you get it when you want it, right? So you may have knowledge, but that's not enough. You have to organize your knowledge. As one thinker said it nicely. He said, knowledge is one thing, organized knowledge is a billion thing. Knowledge is One thing, organized knowledge is a billion. See, this is what the Western world has done. They organized knowledge, isn't it? And when you organize knowledge, the power of knowledge doesn't get 10 times bigger or 100 times bigger, billion times bigger. What is IT? It isn't organizing knowledge and information. You understand? So, many years ago, so Britishers said, let us organize this. So उन्होंने एक पोजीशन भी होता है, जैसे हमारे यहाँ पे लाइब्रेरियन होता है ना, ये लाइब्रेरियन, what is the librarian's work? Organize the books, reference, coding, decoding, and library is also a science.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
we take you to the library also and show you. We got more
There
than
are
8.
courses on.
There are courses on that. It's an official thing. You'll be made surprised that when Britishers found this Mumbai University, there is this vice chancellor who is the head. Okay. फिर उनके राजा उनके मंत्री परिषद होती थी ना. जैसे that day you had director DCUD. Okay. Then we have a position called pro vice chancellor, number 2. Then we have the registrar. जैसे बहुत सारे होते हैं. उसमें one of the most important person in the British era was a librarian. Librarian was very powerful ना. अभी तो आनंद डिपार्टमेंट है, कोई पेंशन नहीं है, उधर भी ऐसे क्या बुक्स है, कौन सा जगह लेके जा. Librarian was a person who hold the whole knowledge, and they say कि यूनिवर्सिटी का हार्ट इज द लाइब्रेरी. यूनिवर्सिटी का हार्ट इज द. I invite you to come to my house. मेरे घर पे पूरा कमरा only books है, 5,000 books. In India, number one, don't value knowledge. Second is that we don't organize knowledge. Isn't it true? I'm not only talking about books, I'm talking about everything that we do in life. How many of us have actually maintained notes of what we have learned throughout our life, not only in colleges and universities? A habit banana. This is what we have done. So, coming back, one of the qualities of a leader, very important quality of a leader, is to organize knowledge. ये लिख लो. छोटा कंपनी हो, बड़ा कंपनी हो, उसको सिस्टमाइज कर लो. You'll be a great leader. The people who organize knowledge are the people with leadership qualities. Clear? Okay. Knowledge is one thing, organized knowledge is a million thing. Now here comes the real stories. So in the Mysore University, बहुत कुछ पढ़ा हुआ था, बहुत सारा है, तो ब्रिटिश ने बोला ऑर्गेनाइज करो. मैसूर राजा was very enterprising, very good. So एक लोगों को लगा दिया, बहुत सारे लोग थे. There's a position created, right? So in that position, in around the year, I mean this pre-British, I mean during the British era. So one of those person was in charge of that whole, I mean the collections, was a person called as Shama Shastri. क्या नाम था? Shama Shastri. Now interesting part is that he was a Sanskrit scholar and he was also an English scholar. दोनों language scholar. Sanskrit scholar and English scholar. देखिए, if you want to be successful in life, Chanakya says this also. You should have knowledge of multiple languages. If you know multiple languages, it always becomes your strength. And one of my teachers used to tell कि जिंदगी में 4 languages तो minimum सीखना है. 4 languages तो minimum सीखना है. पहला है मातृभाषा, बराबर है. Many मातृभाषाs are not even organized. They are dialects. They are not languages. You know what is the difference between dialect and language? Dialects are spoken, but they don't have a script or grammar rules.
बोली भाषा.
Give an example of a dialect. Kannada has. Kannada is a language with a script. Tulu and Konkani. Tulu, Kutchi, Marwadi. Now they actually speak in that language, but it's not written form. So what, let's say, Konkani people do, now it's very interesting. Konkani is a dialect. But you know there are many Konkanis across India. So when they spread, so there is a pocket in Kerala, okay? There is a pocket in Karnataka also. If you look, exactly, the GSB community. Now they speak Konkani, but write in Kannada when they are in Karnataka. Konkani is spoken in Kerala, but written in Malayalam script. So what is the biggest pain is that they don't have a script, because it's not an official language. So the languages that you know in India are the ones which have a script, but there is a saying, I don't know how much authentic it is, there are 1,800 different dialects that we speak, unique to those particular regions. And hey, जैसा Marathi, ये may be different formats है ना, आपने देखा? The Kolhapuri Marathi versus the Sangli
Puneri
Marathi.
Marathi and the
Kolhapuri versus Mumbai Marathi.
Correct. And for those people who are out of Mumbai, they say Bombaya Hindi, right?
Yes.
We say Kanda. The North people say Kanda kya hoga? Pyaz, Batata. So this Hindi has got a mixture of Marathi words.
Yes.
Now, let me tell you this. Basically, वो जो हमारे प्रोफेसर कहते हैं 4 languages, which means reading, writing, speaking. You should know minimum 4. Which are they? मातृभाषा, राष्ट्रभाषा. You should know your राष्ट्रभाषा. So मातृभाषा you decide. Even if it is a dialect, you should know it. मातृभाषा, राष्ट्रभाषा. Then he says देवभाषा, which is Sanskrit. And then he used to say one more भाषा called आंग्ल भाषा. English. पोटाची भाषा बोलते हैं. So what is the importance of all the 4? Okay. Now it is not fighting against each other. नहीं हम मराठी रेस है तो हम लोग हिंदी नहीं सीखे ऐसा नहीं. It is knowledge. Now he used to give another example. Why मातृभाषा? Because if you don't speak, read, write your own मातृभाषा, your children will forget it. You know there's already a movement happening. The people who put them into vernacular, non-vernacular medium, वो सीख तो जाते हैं English, 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 but अपना घर का भूल जाते हैं. होता है कि नहीं होता है?
There are many people who don't know their मातृभाषा.
हाँ, तो first मातृभाषा सीखो. And that is the responsibility of the mother. It is never called father tongue. It is called the mother tongue. हमारे घर पे तो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी है, फिर बताऊंगा कभी. So मातृभाषा पढ़नी चाहिए.
Mother tongue, husband का language को mother tongue. I mean that.
ऐसा नहीं.
There
मेरे घर पे
are
तो
differences.
I am a Hindi, my husband is a Marathi. Now which is a mother tongue for a child?
दोनों होता नहीं है, लेकिन I'll tell you what, who takes the final decision? Mother.
So ये सिखाना चाहिए कि मराठी के दोनों होते हैं.
मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ. मैं बोला
the dominating mother will do it.
When I am writing in the form, I have to write the tongue of the father.
I understand. नहीं, but what I'm saying, मेरे हिसाब से दोनों पढ़ना चाहिए ना.
Let's go ahead.
So let's go ahead. So मातृभाषा, राष्ट्रभाषा. So it's very important. See whether there are a lot of movements in राष्ट्रभाषा. People oppose it also. Remember that? In South को accept नहीं किया. Why should a North Indian language become a national? तो the Tamilians बहुत सारा protest भी किए थे. Lot of movements are. वो छोड़ो. But today accepted. ठीक है? मातृभाषा, राष्ट्रभाषा. Some other countries may have different national. Then comes देवभाषा, Sanskrit. Now, this is another interesting thing. Whether the government promotes it or no, जो भी करो आप पढ़ लो. इससे जो फायदा होता है आपको बताओ. Sitting in a Sanskrit department and it is not about any particular thing. It's not about culture. It's not about Indianness. It's about knowledge. Germans learned this and decoded it. Okay, मैं आपको एक छोटा स्टोरी बताऊंगा. There was a village. उस विलेज में एक बूढ़े अपना जो दादा दादी रहते थे, उनके सारे बच्चे माइग्रेट हो गए. साल में एक बार आते थे वेकेशन में, सब खेलने के. ग्रैंड मदर यूज्ड टू वेट, चिल्ड्रन आएंगे खेलेंगे. तो एक बार आते थे ना, तो उनका एक नौकर था और उनके गांव में एक स्टोर रूम था. उसमें सब फ्रूट्स से लेकर उसमें सब स्टोर करते थे, स्वीट्स एंड ऑल. तो ग्रैंड मदर का एक इंस्ट्रक्शन था कि जब भी बच्चे लोग आए, मैंने मतलब स्टूडेंट्स का, आई मीन द चिल्ड्रन का, ओपन द स्टोर रूम एंड वॉट एवर दे वांट टू गेट टेक. नानी अपना प्यार, दादी अपना प्यार से बोलती है. So whenever they used to come tired, and they used to go to that person, that very senior farmer, and say, दादा, I mean, चाचा जी, बोलो, हाँ बेटा क्या चाहिए, फ्रूट्स चाहिए, स्वीट्स चाहिए, हाँ खा ले. So in that 4 or 5 cousins, there was one intelligent child. He used to only watch. तो कुछ मांगता नहीं था, जो मिल गया लेता था, कोई कुछ देखता नहीं था. So this person, this नौकर, उसके बेटा, you're not asking anything. Whatever you want, you ask me, I'll give it to you, no problem. And he applied Anvish. He said, जो मैं चाहूँगा दोगे क्या? हाँ दे दूँगा. श्योरली दोगे तो हाँ दो. मुझे वो चाबी चाहिए. मुझे वो जब मेरे को चाहिए, मैं जब चाहिए. Why should I depend on you? ये निकाल के दे, वो निकाल के दे. Sanskrit language is that key that will decode you to the complete Indian knowledge. I want to tell you this. Very important. आज हम आपको सिखाएंगे. बराबर है, लेकिन आप तो निकल जाओगे. लेकिन अगर संस्कृत सीख लिया ना, you can go and read it yourself. You don't require anybody. You become the direct access. It's a key. It's a master key. You know what is a master key? होटल में होता है ना, हर रूम का अलग अलग चलता है. Master key will open all the locks. और एक बार संस्कृत सीख के ऊपर जाओ, there are more than 10,000 rare books. Okay. So मातृभाषा, राष्ट्रभाषा, देवभाषा आणि आंग्ल भाषा आहे पोटात. प्लीज लर्न इंग्लिश because that has become a professional language. It's a global language. It is not against Britishers. It is accepted. It's actually more an American language than a British language. It's a global language. And we have succeeded because we know English better than many countries, including China. Now here was Professor Shama Shastri. He knew English also, Sanskrit also, and by the way, he was also Kannada scholar. अब इन्होंने देखा तो ना पूरा लीव्स लेते थे, जमा करते थे, देखते थे, उनको मिल जाता था. तो करते 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 you should go to Mysore University and see that. Amazing. I think we should go for a trip.
Yes, yes.
Third sem में करें? Third sem में करें?
Yes.
Seriously, think about it. We'll work it out. In fact, we can go there, we can organize lectures, उनका पूरा system of curating और सब कर सकते हैं. So, उन्होंने सब देखा, organize, very well organized, 70,000-80,000 manuscripts even now. तो करते करते he found this book called Kautilya Arthashastra. Kautilya Arthashastra, Shama Shastri, this year. Wow. उन्होंने देखा, उसको बराबर ठीक किया, now this thing. This is the Arthashastra that I heard. He was a scholar. कि भारत का सबसे प्राइम टेक्स्ट रहा है. What he did is that he kept it properly, उसको सब किया. Then he said, no, this is India's treasure to the world. He did something very fantastic. He himself sat down and translated the whole book into English in this year. This year.
1905.
So the whole thing, 1905 में he got translated from Sanskrit to
English.
who did that? I have been so fortunate that I actually been to his house. उनका ग्रैंडसन उनका अभी भी घर है. And interestingly, वो ग्रैंडफादर और ग्रैंडसन एक ही दिखते हैं. And he's a professor by the way. He's an engineering college professor. और रूम बताया कि जहाँ पे वो लिखते थे. तो मैसूर लाइब्रेरी हो, लेकिन उस जमाने में एक जैसा गाँव जैसा था. जिसको कैरी होम घर पे बैठ के लिखते थे, ट्रांसलेट. That room is also there. So he translated this in 1905. He found it and did. Therefore, for our understanding, this is known as the 100th the year when Arthashastra was rediscovered. See, remember the word called rediscovered. And this 2005 we celebrated 100th year of rediscovery of Arthashastra. There are a lot of academicians who know this. उन्होंने बहुत बड़ा contribution किया श्यामा शास्त्री ने कि basically he got it out in English. It's very important to know he got it out in English. अब interesting क्या है? अब देखिए what happens. I am talking about the age of 1905 till आप देखिए 1947, right? What is the importance of 1947? अब एक बहुत बड़ा interesting चीज है. ये period में India became very famous because of Kautilya Arthashastra. Do you know this? Yes. Because English was a global language. Remember, Britishers were ruling everywhere. And because this book was readily available in English, there were countries which learned Sanskrit, like Germany. Okay? But English became a very accessible global language. This book, Arthashastra, and its knowledge, translated by Shama Shastri, reached all the intellectual classes across the globe. I had a book, somebody took it away and never returned. How many languages Arthashastra was translated in these years? I have found more than at least 80-90 languages. And here is the interesting part. Have you heard about the global recession that happened in the 1920s, the Great Depression?
Yeah.
You heard about that?
Yes.
When I was in UK, I think Oxford में था. One of the scholars told me this. कि world ने उस ज़माने में global crisis कैसे resolve करने का अर्थशास्त्र से सीखा.
So even because applicable at global level.
Yes. But unfortunately, only those classes knew it. The masses never knew it. But what is very interesting is that I have been to Germany, and if it were, why am I giving you all these things and why we are keeping it on record? Because whenever you get a chance, in Germany, I have been to Heidelberg University. वहाँ पे अर्थशास्त्र has been translated into German language in the 1926 or 27, something like that. I have the photographs also. And what's very interesting is that the librarian told me this. Hitler had learned it. very interesting. There's a saying, Mysore king है ना, Mysore king used to say at that particular time in this era, all people in Mysore know who the king is. But all people in the world know what is Mysore because of Shama Shastra. Mysore का बुक अर्थशास्त्र कहाँ से इंडिया कहाँ से है? So मेरे प्रजा मेरे को जानती है, लेकिन मैसूर क्या है वो दुनिया को लेके जाने वाला So I am telling this to the students who understand the historical background to it was a great game changer. It took the whole world, but unfortunately what happened, that generation में इतना knowledge sharing हुआ नहीं बाद में, especially because of World War I and World War II. See, please understand this was a very important point in world history. So when you're talking about progress, innovation, wars नहीं होंगे तब तक ठीक है, कल यहाँ पे बॉम्ब गिरेगा कल कोई क्लास में नहीं है.
Yes.
So this whole humanity was affected, isn't it? I mean, people were going through a lot of crisis, and then till the World War happened, people were all worried about survivors. But once the World War I and World War II got over, then we had something called the League of Nations, which today is called the United Nations. And they say, let's focus on this. Luckily, the whole cycle has come back, where things like poverty is being eradicated. Poverty levels have come down across the globe. People are working towards it, called the Millennium Goals. It's all happening. Now the whole world is again looking at knowledge. इसलिए लोग अभी भी देखो पढ़ाई करने आते हैं, ये करने आते हैं. अपने पेरेंट्स को बोलो ये एज में जाके पढ़ाई करने का वो तो हो गया. क्यों मैं कह रहा हूँ कि ये पीरियड में अनफॉर्चुनेटली देयर वाज नॉट टू मच ऑफ ए नॉलेज रेवोल्यूशन व्हिच इज हैपनिंग नाउ. So the thing is that this book was there but was not available for the mass. और जिनको जानना था वो जानते थे. और मेरे पास बहुत सारे रेफरेंस मटेरियल भी want I can show you, but that's not the point. The point is that for us he is a godfather. Who? Shama Shastra. उसके बाद बहुत सारे काम हो गए वर्ल्ड में, लेकिन क्या हो गया उसके बाद एक इंटरेस्टिंग चीज आई. Even though it was British era or Britishers just left, another person like Shama Shastri I think his second edition है somewhere in the 1960s. I don't remember exactly. In the 1960s, a professor from the University of Mumbai, Department of Sanskrit, where all of you are sitting, his name was R.P. Kavali. Okay. That time we didn't have this building, neither we didn't have a formal department. It was taught as a subject, and he was a professor at Wilson College. Wilson College होता है? Bombay में कहाँ पे है? चौपट. It's a very, आप देखोगे Xavier's, Wilson College and all, classy, Britishers, उनका legacy आपको दिखता है. He should teach Sanskrit. And then इन्होंने इनको refer किया. Please understand. इन्होंने इनको refer किया. Wow. And then what he did is that he also studied the Arthashastra and he translated that into his own English. Very important. Not cut copy paste of Shama Shastri, but in his language. So what is the difference? जो language 1905 में लिखा गया था वो इंग्लिश और थोड़ा अलग होगा. अभी का लैंग्वेज थोड़ा अलग होगा. Okay? और अभी भी लैंग्वेज अलग होगा ना. So he wrote it more for his generation, which is around in 1960s. Now I want to tell you something which is for your information also. While Shama Shastri, okay, took the original Arthashastra and translated that into English, there was one of his friends of his generation. अभी इनका नाम मैं आपको बोलता हूँ. गणपति शास्त्री. कोई उनका कनेक्शन नहीं है. शास्त्री और बेसिकली इंटेलेक्चुअल क्लास, जैसे जोशी वगैरह सरनेम्स होते हैं ना. So they are basically they are also a community. So Ganpati Shastri was contemporary of Shama Shastri, translated the same Arthashastra using the help of Shama Shastri, original इनके पास था ना, into Malayalam. इन्होंने इंग्लिश में किया, इन्होंने even though he also knew English. I will tell you something. This is something very important to know that in Kerala there is a great culture of Arthashastra. Great culture. That's why I studied Arthashastra in Kerala. हमारे यहाँ पे पता भी नहीं, मगर बच्चों को मालूम है अर्थशास्त्र. स्वामी विवेकानंद का आपने आज मूवी देखा ना, सॉरी ड्रामा देखा ना, यू नो एक उसमें सीन था कि देयर वाज समथिंग कॉल्ड एज परिव्राजक यूज्ड टू गो अराउंड इंडिया, ये महाराजा को मिला, उसको मिला, इधर मिला, वाराणसी गया. But if you study the complete works of Swami Vivekananda, he will also tell his visits to Kerala. Okay, and he is very surprised कि Kerala was a contrast. वहाँ पे गरीबी, भूखमरी, वो ये सब केरला में भी प्रॉब्लम थे. I'm not telling you no, but they had women scholars and Sanskrit scholars during pre-British era. Because Kerala dominantly is a matriarchal system where woman knows कि यहाँ पे पढ़ाई लिखाई नहीं है, this one education is a solution. और वहाँ पे जाके सब संस्कृत स्कॉलर्स. So you'll be surprised in Kerala even today every common man knows what is Arthashastra. They may not study the 6,000 sutras. Arthashastra हाँ पता है वो हमारा विद्वान है वो. तो I had to go to Kerala in a village and my own teacher was Dr. Gangadhar Nair. फिर मेरे को 6,000 सूत्र सिखाया. And there's a whole parampara. People by heart Sanskrit dictionaries in schools in Kerala. By heart Sanskrit dictionaries called Amara Kosha. You heard about Amara Kosha? कोई dictionary by heart करता है. We refer to dictionaries, right? Amara Kosha. So I have been telling you that friends, you know, when we look at our own culture, we need to understand कि certain places have their own strengths. जैसे आप देखोगे कि आप बंगाल में जाओ, there's a great poetry culture. Have you seen that? Literature culture. So if you go to, let's say, okay, Kashmir में, this is very interesting. Kashmir had a great philosophical background called as Kashmir Shaivism. Very, very profound. Maharashtra में there was a great warrior culture, the Maratha culture. So when you go to Maharashtra, don't just go there Ganpati. Ganpati भी देखना है. So there's a complete culture. There is very different. So Kerala में there is always some kind of education culture, which can still can feel it, you know. तो वहाँ पे क्या है कि basically literacy उसमें क्या बात है 100% literacy कौन सी बड़ी बात है? It's very normal. We get surprised ना 100% literacy is तो क्या है? That doesn't mean Kerala is problem free. They have different problems. So I just give you a little bit of a.
After 1960, again then there has been a gap.
Yes.
So then who has brought this Dr. Arthashastra now?
मैं आपको बताता हूँ.
डॉक्टर आर के पिल्लाई.
But I tell you, but we need to understand this person is not very popular when you read the books and all that. Malayalam, but वो क्या है कि it's very popular in Kerala because it's like saying Sairaj movie. वो महाराष्ट्र में पहले देखेंगे ना, बाकी लोग उसको ट्रांसलेट करके वो क्या उसको बोलते हैं सबटाइटल्स में. Now the thing is that श्यामा शास्त्री का किसी ने इंग्लिश में किया होगा, but by that time this guy had already translated in English. But कहने का मतलब क्या है कि he is the father, but he is the father's brother also. Parallel brother. तो केरला में काफी प्रॉब्लम है. But there was a gap. The 1960s में आंग्ले जी ने उसको ट्रांसलेट. Now what happened? Now this is very interesting. All the scholars after this are saying इनके बच्चे. So quite a few people in the 1980s onwards started doing it. So let's say 2000. I'm just giving a range. Who have studied Arthashastra. One of them, I think you have got a book. So I'll just give you an example. Rangarajan. Okay. He wrote a translation of the book. Can you show that? Okay. And there is another person from Kerala. He was the vice chancellor of a university in Kerala. I think Shankaracharya Sanskrit University. His name was, I don't know clearly, but P. Unniprasad, again from Kerala. He also translated the Arthashastra into English. He also translated the Arthashastra into अच्छा किताब में अगर आपको मैं आपको बताऊँ कि किताब को कैसे देखना है. मैंने भी ओपन ए बुक ना, ये जो पेज है ना ये देख लेना, वहाँ पे आपको फर्स्ट प्रिंट बताएंगे 1992 Rangarajan was specifically 1992. I think Undi was exactly 2000. I don't know. I have verified.
So then they again translated from Shama Shastri's word.
So ये जो तीन है ना, they are the basics. But again, since this was into, I would say these two are the foundations. But let me also tell you, this guy became also an important one because very important thing जो आपके हाथ में किताब. देखो कोई भी किताब पढ़ो ना तो ऑथर का बैकग्राउंड समझना जरूरी है. अंडरस्टैंड माय पॉइंट? अब इसमें आप देखो कि हु वाज रंगराजन, ही वाज नॉट अ संस्कृत स्कॉलर, ही वाज नॉट अ संस्कृत स्कॉलर. नाउ लेट अस गिव एन एग्जांपल कि रंगराजन, L.N. Rangarajan graduated from the University of Madras with an MSc in experimental physics. He joined the Indian Foreign Service in 1956. Has been ambassador to Greece, Sudan, Norway and Iceland. A political economist with a special interest in conflict limitation and negotiation, he had contributed articles on political economy to several journals. His previous publication includes blah 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 blah. And L.N. Rangarajan is married to a musician and has got 2 sons. So what does it mean? Who is L.N. Rangarajan? A bureaucrat. Very important. See, आप उसको कोई भी आदमी का जो author आप पढ़ोगे ना background. So when he studies the Arthashastra of these 2 people, how will he look at it? As a Sanskrit scholar?
No.
As a bureaucrat?
As a bureaucrat.
तो उन्होंने देखा ये अर्थशास्त्र पढ़ के उन्होंने so much of bureaucracy. So he wrote this fad book, but it is different from these 2 books. This book is translation of 6,000 sutras into English directly. But this is picking up those sutras, but आपको उसमें detail नहीं मिलेगा. So I'll give you an example. इनका chapterization is not like what we are going to say. Okay? तो थोड़ा सा बता दें. Introduction, state, the king, the well-organized state, treasury, ऐसा. Civil service as a foreign policy maker. This is a good book for reference, very good book for reference, but this is not a textual study. इसमें संस्कृत में कुछ नहीं है. But it's also a good book. अब समझ रहे हैं मेरी बात? Coming back to Rajesh, as you were telling, there are a lot of people after that also who work on अर्थशास्त्र. Now it's very interesting that ये जो period है ना, इसमें बहुत सारे, here is my point, please understand, regional languages में भी हो गए. And I have found thousands of them, Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati, Assami, Oriya, Bengali, Telugu. But क्या होगा? It became like a गणपति शास्त्री. उस लोगों को पता है. And sometimes you get a bad publisher ना, 4 कॉपी छापेगा कुछ नहीं करेगा. So ये मैं नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि इंसा ही पढ़ना है. But I remember in the first batch we had a student, Dr. Rahul Singh. He already was a PhD doctor. वो BHU में था, बनारस हिंदू यूनिवर्सिटी. So when we used to take this, ऐसा वो क्या करता था? वो कोई तो एक स्कॉलर का हिंदी ट्रांसलेशन लेके बैठता था. और they were better than actually English language. Why am I telling you that? कि अगर आपको कोई comfort है in other languages, try to find a regional translation of that also. But unfortunately, those may be available regionally. तो वाराणसी में जाके अच्छा आपको हिंदी ट्रांसलेशन चल देता है. Getting the whole story short. This is the history of Arthashastra, and there are many people who are writing it. ऐसा नहीं कि हमें रुका है, अभी तो वे बन गया. Now here comes what Rajesh told about Radhakrishnan Pillai. Radhakrishnan Pillai did not write a book on Arthashastra. He got inspired from Arthashastra. उसमें से मैंने corporate चाणक्य लिखा, उसमें से मैंने 7 secrets लिखा. They are only small one. This is equivalent to your Rangarajan book. You understand? So it is taking from the soul but modifying it. Maybe someday God wishes I will write a complete translation like this. But अभी वो सिस्टम सुनना है. मैंने छोटे-छोटे पिक किए. By the way, I am writing 18 books currently. Not 18, 18 books on Arthashastra based on certain ideas. Chanakya in daily life, Katha Chanakya. Then Anvikshiki के ऊपर एक book लिख रहा हूँ.
When do you get the time to do all this?
I enjoy it. So 2-4 घंटा दिन में निकाल. By the way, I am also an author. It's not a full-time. Okay, now the idea is to give this whole unit to use that what is the background of this book. Kautilya Arthashastra originally was written in 4th century BC by Chanakya himself. Mysore University में आप देख सकते हो, Government of India verified है with Archaeology Department. But today what we have is so many versions of it. आप देखो, हमको पढ़ाई करनी है, इतना सब पढ़ाई नहीं कर सकते, right? आप ऐसा समुद्र है जितने गोते लगाओगे और अंदर जाएंगे. So you have hundreds of them on the internet also you find. And I'm looking at all of it. मैं थोड़ा ऑब्जर्व कर रहा था कि अर्थशास्त्र भेज रहे हो, अर्थशास्त्र भेज रहे हो, भेजो. What I'm saying is that एक बुक को तो पकड़ के रखो, बाकी रेफरेंस होना चाहिए. Because you refer too much and you don't know what is the original one to refer to. So we have when we study this course, इसमें से सारे मिक्स है. We can take गणपति शास्त्री also. Maybe in English में we can take Shama Shastri also. We can take this also, we can take only also, right? Then we decided let us focus our one textbook of Arthashastra of R.P. उसका logical reasons बताओ. The first reason is that number one he was from Bombay University. अपने टीचर हो गए ना. सब टीचर अच्छे हैं लेकिन अपने टीचर को मिले वैल्यू. Second important thing is that if you look at the language of English in 1900 versus 1960, which is closer to our generation, so this is easily understandable even in English. I'm not telling these people are bad. What I'm saying is that this is time tested. And in the field of Arthashastra, R.P. Kamble is a stalwart. इसलिए बुक देखो, मोतीलाल बनारसी वहाँ जाओगे ना, they're surprised. Of course, now I would also suggest you should go and watch a YouTube video. There are hundreds of seminars happening across the globe on Arthashastra. I am telling you, you all have a great future in your hand if you know how to interpret Arthashastra, not only in your leadership role, the academic role. And here is the crux of it. You can go and type IDSA. You can note it. Institute of Defence Studies and Analysis. They did 3 international workshops. IDSA, Institute of Defence Studies and Analysis. Okay, this is the Ministry of Defence, Government of India. 1, 2, 3 साल उन्होंने उस पर काफ़ी मेहनत किया. And they called scholars across the globe. And I was lucky to be part of all of them. And I spoken there. So मेरे videos है उसमें. My presentation आते हैं शुभदा जोशी मैडम की थी. Institute of Defence Studies and Analysis. Okay, ये काफ़ी पॉपुलर है. सब वीडियोस आपको मिलेंगे. I think more than 100 वीडियोस आपको मिलेंगे उसमें. अर्थशास्त्र के scholars across the globe. So when we were in Delhi, the previous NSA, National Security Advisor, Shiv Shankar Menon. अभी तो कौन है? बोलो. Ajit Doval. You should know Ajit Doval. He is a strategist, very important person for the government of India. Shiv Shankar Menon. He was part of it. दोनों बार आए थे and he told something very interesting. You can find that in the IDSA video. He said the Kautilyan movement is going to come back to India. Should I call Shiv Shankar Menon?
Yes.
Ajit Doval, I think we can do that. Can somebody make a note? I will make a note. Chalo, good. Remind me now. And let's not have the remind karo. We can get Ajit Doval. Okay, but what the point of telling all this is what Mumbai University का benefit है. Okay, we'll try and come. The idea is that Shiv Shankar Menon, that time he was NSC, so different ministry, external affairs, ये सब उनके अंदर में. तो उन्होंने मस्त बोला था कि like in the 1920s, we had a Kautilyan movement. India is getting ready for the next Kautilyan movement. And you're going to be part of that, by the way.
Yes.
Chanakya movement has come. When India raises to power, people ask me, कैसे powerful हुआ? And the answer is going to be Arthashastra. And I did not know this. This is how that video happened. तो आपने देखा ना, ABP न्यूज़ वाला, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया को बता के यहाँ पे पहुँच गए. मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी में ऐसा कोर्स चला. So I got a call and I got a German था. One guy who landed up in saying आप अर्थशास्त्र पढ़ा दो बैठ के हाँ 6 घंटा बैठा. He was a journalist and he's doing his PhD I think in German. I don't remember which country. गोरा है, तिरंगा है, यूरोपियन है. तो बोल रहा था कि he was a journalist who worked on political power shifts. Political power shifts. एक ज़माने में let's say British were powerful. Okay. Now Americans have become powerful. Now there is the next story called India versus China. आपने पता है? So a lot of people who do analysis research on that. तो वो इंडिया चाइना का रिसर्च करते करते इंडिया में पहुंच गया. वो पावर इज ऑलरेडी शिफ्टिंग. सो रिसर्च करते करते इंडिया में कोई भी पावर के बारे में बात करता है तो चाणक्य करके एक आदमी का नाम आता है. अर्थशास्त्र करके आता है कोई करके. They suddenly came and they said there is a course happening in Mumbai. He landed up. He took 6 hours of mine. मैं बोला कि 10-15 मिनट में निकल जाएगा, खाना पिला के भेज दूंगा. 6 घंटा. I don't understand. Everybody is talking everywhere in the power circle across the globe. India is going to be powered, and India का power ही चाणक्य पर कोई तो है. तो चाणक्य नहीं अर्थशास्त्र में you people. You understand the book that you are studying? So I am trying to tell you the world impact that's going to happen. We are a part of the Kautilyan movement, the Kautilyan era. Now, किसी ने पूछा था, knowledge के भी cycles होते हैं, पता है? शिवाजी महाराज also used अर्थशास्त्र. The forts that he built in Maharashtra were बीच में नीचे गया, फिर वापस ऊपर आया, फिर नीचे गया नीचे. तो अभी देखो, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1905 में ऊपर आया, फिर नीचे गया, 1920 में ऊपर आया, फिर नीचे गया, फिर 1960s में ऊपर आया, फिर नीचे गया. और now in 2000 onwards, another movement has started. Good part is that ये और ऊपर जाएगा. this text is going to come live to all of us. Okay, so first questions first. Any questions in that before we actually go to the textual study? You got the history?
Can you unlock करके can you give me? Can you unlock and
आ गया?
नहीं can you? I'll take one by one.
Any questions? So what you should know even for your so-called academic understanding, these are all the experts and scholars who have studied the Arthashastra and contributed. The first person, father कौन है?
श्यामा शास्त्री,
उसका छोटा भाई,
गणपति शास्त्री,
उसका बेटा, उसके grandsons, हम सब, okay, like great grandchildren.
we are your children.
Thank you. Okay, so next point, if you're okay with that. Next point is that after understanding the background of scholars like right from Shama Shastri and everybody, textual study, introduction to the particular Arthashastra, these are all the commentators and the people who have written commentary on Arthashastra. Kamde, Gunni, Ellen, Nandarai. This paper, now आज तो नहीं लूँगा मैं, will be touching upon Anvikshi. Isn't that important? But we will do it next Saturday, next class. But before that, what is Anvikshiki? What I'm going to do is that I'm going to tell you the details of the 3 books you have already got in your hand. Okay? Keep your questions for the time being थोड़ा बाद में, because other आपके answers हो जाएंगे. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3.
Yes.
तीनों है आपके पास? This is set. This is the original Sanskrit version as it is.
चाणक्य.
भाई चाणक्य, बट वो चाणक्य ने वो ताड़पत्री में लिखा था, उसको बाद में ऐसा
ताड़पत्री जवाहरलाल मैसूर.
ताड़पत्री नहीं. So if you want, please open the book number 1. सब आप अपना नाम लिख देना because everything looks similar. Part 1, Sanskrit text with glossary. नहीं, but हो गया. So there are 2 attendants. One is the people who are part of the course और कोई अगर guest visiting है तो आज ज़्यादा visiting लगने हैं. तो ठीक है. आपका हो गया सबका साइन?
मैंने साइन तो कुछ नहीं किया.
इसे साइन नहीं attendance मार्क करना.
Somebody was marking ना.
No, I was marking, but they were on. They had gone for lunch, so I missed. I'll do it after the class. I'll do it after the class.
No, वही छोड़ो ना. Forward हो जाता है. I mean, it's important, but not the most important, right? Okay. Now I'll tell you some techniques of how to understand book and the writers.
Yes.
Writers हमेशा आपको era के हिसाब से देखना, which era he or she lived in. तो एक historical background पता चलता है. जो गरीबी में लिखता है, book के बारे में बहुत लिखेगा. Please understand, तो उसका पूरा कहानी वैसे ही होगा. दुनिया सब खराब है. सब मेरे को ही खुद रहे हैं. यही problem है. So if you look at the songs also that has written, you know, so if you look at the very famous song, Namunna Rajimu Deshaka Sifai. If you remember, why did that song come out? It was in an era where India was fighting.
Yes.
Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan wala nara tha. That song became a hit because of it connected to an era. उसी तरह books also always are written in a particular social economic backgrounds. तो समझना बहुत जरूरी है. तो जैसे आपको ईयर पता चलेगा ना, you should understand कि वो era में आजू बाजू में क्या होगा. समझ रहे हैं? So when you look at Arthashastra, I'm talking about the first book. देखो यहाँ पे आपको पूरा उसका हिस्ट्री. ये कोई पढ़ता ही नहीं ना. मैं तो बोलता अभी से अन्वीक्षिकी लगाओ कैसे सोचने का. If you look at it, it's saying that second edition Bombay University 1969. देखा आपने? ये बॉम्बे यूनिवर्सिटी का प्रोडक्ट है. ये यहाँ तो कोई भाव नहीं रहता. इसमें मोतीलाल नेहरू से लिखी है. At least there. No, it is there. But after 50 years, it becomes open source. You know what is open source? Anybody can print. You can also print it.
अजब प्रकाशन.
करेक्ट. रीप्रिंट देखो कितनी बार रीप्रिंट हुआ है. In 1988, 88, 92, 97, 2000, Motilal Banarsidass, ISBN number. You know what is ISBN number now? It's a unique code given. If you don't find it, you just go to the ISBN number. You can find it. So today, what has happened? A lot of books were lost, not kept maintained. So today, technology. Every time you write a book, today you have to register the ISBN number. Then it can be easily referred. आपके मरने के बाद भी कोई भी उसको यूज कर सकता है. Even if the book goes out of print, also you can still get it. So there's an ISBN number. Then Motilal Banarsidass. Okay. Now, ये आप आराम से एक बार प्रिफेस पढ़ लेना विद द फर्स्ट एडिशन. दिस इज समथिंग फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड. ओके, ये पूरा संस्कृत में है. देयर आर 6000 सूत्रास divided into 15 books, 150 chapters and 180 sections. So ये जो है संस्कृत में है. Book number 1 is called Vinyadikarikam. I don't know to give you detail. Book number 2 is called Adhyaksh Pracharah. Book number 3 is called Dharmastiyam. Book number 4 is called Kattaka Shodhanam. Book number 5 is called Yoga Vrittam. Book number 6 is called Mandala Yonini. Book number 7 is called Shad Punyam. Book number 8 is called Vyasaradikarikam. Book number 9 Abhidharma. Book number 10 Samavittam. Book number 11 Samavittam. 12 13 Ayah. 14 Opanishad. 15 Tantra Yuddhi. अभी आप देखोगे all the original terms like Anvikshiki now come. So I just want to give you an example. Book number 1 पे ही रहेगा. If you look at this is from where the original text starts. Okay, the Kautilya Arthashastra. First chapter starts with Prakaranaadhikarana Samuddesha Om Namah Shukra Baraspatibhyam. He is saluting Shukra and Baraspati, the two great acharyas. One was a teacher of guru of the gods and one of the devils. Shukra and Baraspati नमस्कार करके पूरा लिखता है. पृथिव्या लाभे पालने च यावत् अर्थशास्त्राणि पूर्वाचार्यः प्रस्तावितानि प्रायश्चात्स्थानि संस्थे. तो बेसिकली स्टैंड के अंदर why did I write the अर्थशास्त्र, उसका पर्पस हम बाद में देखेंगे उसको डिटेल में. But first chapter is afterwards telling us what is the content of the book. It's like an index. Chapter number 1 is the index only. तो full 15 books के अंदर क्या क्या टॉपिक्स कवर होने वाले हैं वो बताया. वो ही है. Then he comes to chapter number 2, which is the main subject. What is chapter number 2 called? Pratame. This is page number 4 in Sanskrit.
There is book 2.
No. It is book 1, chapter 2.
अध्यक्ष प्रचारक
करते हैं हम लोग. Page number 4 in Sanskrit. Page number 4 in Sanskrit. See the next class what we will do. I will tell you how to read it also. अभी ज़्यादा मत सोचो. समझ लो हम उसमें फोकस करेंगे. डर लगता है मुझे.
डर लगता है.
अरे मेरे को भी डर लगता था. अभी MA कर दिया. Anyway, coming back. So this is actually where the पहला तो सिर्फ इंडेक्सिंग था, बराबर है. Chapter number 2 starts with प्रथम प्रकरणम विद्या समुद्देशः तत्र आन्वीक्षिकी स्थापना. आन्वीक स्थापना मीन्स गणपति स्थापना बोलते हैं ना. इंस्टॉलेशन. वो कहाँ पे इंस्टॉल करते हैं नॉलेज को? आन्वीक्षिकी को पहला उसको हाउ स्थापित करो. स्टडी माइंड, हाउ टू थिंक. Imagine अपना एजुकेशन सिस्टम where it is teaching us how to think. वो तो अभी सिलेबस एग्जाम कब है? No exam. If you know how to
not
think,
34, only 4.
you can know everything, isn't it? But this is not only thing, बाद में governance भी करना है. So now coming back, this whole thing is original 6000 sutras. You can count it, you get 6000. But ये जो है, next will come to this.
Where is the sutra like starting?
Starting से ओम नमः शुक्र बृहस्पति
So
पूरा.
there it starts from there.
It's the first one.
First sutra.
Yes.
First one is
Now take book number 2. This is very critical for us. Again go to index.
15 books. So this Chanakya has written 15 books.
One book of Arthashastra is actually containing 15 books compilation.
15 books comparison is
One.
Kautilya.
Yes. But let's come back. ये थोड़ा introduction preface of पढ़ लेना. Next time आते हैं. Now come to table of contents. Okay. I don't want to go into detail of that. That we will do in the next class. Okay. Chapter number 1. Sorry, book number 1 concerning the topic of rain. Now if you look at this translation, it's given by whom? R.P. Kangu. What is the original Sanskrit word? Vidya Samuddesha. The name of that first chapter is called Vidya Samuddesha. Kangleji used this terminology concerning the topic of training. बराबर है? But Shama Shastri may have used something else. That is the translator's freedom. He may have used something else. So in this book you take it, but कोई और translator can have the freedom of using another ट्रांसलेशन। तो ये आप याद रखना है, कांगला जी ने उसको कहा कंसर्न टॉपिक ऑफ ट्रेनिंग। बुक 2 इज द एक्टिविटी ऑफ द हेड्स ऑफ गवर्नमेंट के बहुत सारे डिपार्टमेंट्स हमने किए। पहला ये था कि राजा को कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करना है, ट्रेनिंग कैसे देना है, उसके बाद राजा को अपना टीम बनाना है ना, हेड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट, 18 डिपार्टमेंट्स, हाउ टू सेलेक्ट एवरी गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसर। ये आप पढ़ के आइए, यू विल सी दैट इट हैज गॉट 36 चैप्टर्स इन वन बुक। टॉपिक 3 is concerning sorry, book 3. Book 4 is suppression of criminals. The Sanskrit word is Kanthaka Shodhana. We'll show you details. Kanthaka means thorn. Shodhana means how to find. These criminals are thorns in a society. ना चलने नहीं देते, किसी पे कुछ नहीं।
Sir, if we read this, can we refer to this book to get the
We should
meaning?
actually refer both. That is more important. That's why we told you both. तो in fact वहाँ से आपको easy पता चलेगा, because English translation may not be the best way to read Arthashastra. I started with English and I said यार ये समझ में, I started understanding in Sanskrit, became very beautiful. Problem is that we have to learn Sanskrit through English. That's our training. But you should actually learn Sanskrit through Sanskrit. But nothing wrong, learn. Somebody asked me, is it important to know Sanskrit to study Arthashastra? I said no. But it is an advantage. समझ रहे हैं? So I should send दोनों को रेफर करो।
But the dialect will be different, right? I cannot read this as Hindi or Marathi. It has to be some
It has
different.
to be known as Sanskrit. Okay, but translation in English, Bangladeshi has used his words. कहता है sometimes people get stuck up. ये क्या हो रहा है? फिर संस्कृत पढ़ते हैं ना, फिर समझ में आता है। But संस्कृत को भी पढ़ा जाना, कोई एक्सप्लेन करने वाला चाहिए। वो अपने यहाँ पे स्कॉलर को। Next, book number 5 is Secret Method. Book number 6 is Circle of Kings on the basis. यहाँ पे पूरे वो आता है ना, दुश्मन का दुश्मन दोस्त, सामदाना दंडभेद, all these phrases comes here. 7, the 6 measures of foreign policy. ये आपके one of the papers में ये भी हम लोग कवर करने वाला है। Then we come to book number 8, concerning the topic of calamities. Book number 9, the activity of the king about to march. Book number 10, concerning war. Book number 11, policy towards oligarchies. Very interesting thing. You know what is oligarchy? A small group but a powerful. Parsis. बड़े बार इतना है ना, the Jew community globally. यहाँ पे भी Jain community, very powerful community. They have certain value systems. Have you seen that? I mean, in fact, we want to call somebody who tells us the Jaina method of community businesses. I mean, it's an amazing model. So is Parsi community model. Small but strong. And इतना strong कि they can influence lot of decisions. Jews do that. So देखो जब ये राजनीति में हो तो आपका पॉलिसी क्या होना चाहिए? Because they can turn around ना. They are very very powerful. छोटा है लेकिन वो ऐसा powerful है. Can the government of India make a policy without taking the policies of the Parsi community today? Tatas, they are. अभी तो फिर भी जरा diversified business बोले 1960s they were kings, they were emperors.
No, even today in Britain, Ratan Tata is a part of their inner.
Really?
Yes, yes. He is a part of the think tank.
It's a very interesting dimension of policy towards oligarchy. आपको नहीं होगा क्या? यूनियन लीडर्स होते हैं ना छोटे छोटे, यूनियन लीडर सबको जमा करते हैं, आप कितना भी बड़ा कंपनी हो उसको हैंडल करने को आना चाहिए. Isn't it true? किंग का विजन. आगे बुक नंबर 13 कंसर्निंग द वीकर किंग. बुक नंबर 13 मीन्स ऑफ टेकिंग अ फोर्ट. 14 कंसर्निंग सीक्रेट प्रैक्टिसेस एंड 15 द मेथड ऑफ द साइंस. देखो ये पूरा बुक है एक मेथड से लिखा गया, ऐसा नहीं कि अच्छा लगा मैंने डाल दिया कुछ आपके शब्द. इट्स अ टेक्निकल वे ऑफ राइटिंग. सो इट टीचर्स अस हाउ टू राइट बुक्स आल्सो, स्कॉलरली एक्टिविटी. एंड फाइनली बुक नंबर 3. अभी लोग बहुत सारे लोगों को ये नहीं चाहिए क्योंकि दोनों हो गए ना, वो तो ये भी लो. वो ये पूरा जिंदगी स्टडी करने के बाद कांगले ने बोला आई माय गुडनेस दिस इज हिज कंट्रीब्यूशन. ट्रांसलेशन हैज बीन डन बाय प्रीवियस पीपल आल्सो, राइट? बट दिस इज हिज ओरिजिनल कंट्रीब्यूशन. ये ज़्यादा पढ़ना चाहिए बिकॉज कांगले जी ने इतना पढ़ाई करके. बाय द वे कांगले ऑल्सो ट्रांसलेट द सेम संस्कृत इनटू मराठी. सो इफ यू आर महाराष्ट्रियन यू आर कंफर्टेबल विद मराठी लैंग्वेज, ही ट्रांसलेटेड इनटू इंग्लिश and also Marathi. And Marathi is very profound. You can get a translation if you want. वो सॉफ्ट कॉपी में ले लोगे तो भी ठीक है, इंटरनेट पे से मिल जाएगा. Now see what it does. This is the content of the book. I would suggest that एक एक चैप्टर अगर एक दिन में पढ़ लो ना, बहुत एकेडमिक स्कॉलरली है बट वेरी डीप. लाइक ही सेज अर्थशास्त्र इट्स स्कोप एंड ऑरिजिन. इतना पढ़ाई किया है ना उन्होंने, कहाँ से, जैसे मैंने बताया, ये सब बताया इनको पढ़ो. The Kautilya Arthashastra, content and form, the sources of Kautilya Arthashastra. Kautilya refers to previous Arthashastras. By the way, Arthashastra is not the first Arthashastra. Kautilya Arthashastra is not the first Arthashastra. मैंने क्या बोला? Kautilya Arthashastra. There were 14 other Arthashastras given in this Arthashastra which it refers to. And there were hundreds of teachers of Arthashastra before it. It's like saying physics. The subject है ना? Was Edison or Einstein the first person who worked on physics? It's a natural science, right? They modified it as it came from form. But there were Arthashastras before Chanakya, there were Arthashastras after Chanakya, but Chanakya survived the test of time. So this is very interesting.
So is Chanakya's Arthashastra a compilation of all the previous 14
And
plus his?
and making it better.
Okay.
जैसे कि आज मैं अगर कुछ करता हूँ, प्रीवियस नॉलेज पूरा स्टडी करके फिर उसको बेटर करके अपना कंट्रीब्यूशन करूँगा.
Application during that era.
Of that era.
The way Jonas is corporate Chanakya of this era.
Yes. Exactly, for that era. बड़ो इतना अच्छा हो गया कि अभी भी वो इट्स द बेंचमार्क. Maybe there are still other Arthashastras. I'll talk to you in the next class क्योंकि आज हम लोग को 4 बजे बंद करना है. A lot of people in that generation were also knowledge creators. You were not the only person. And we say IT. अभी IT generation है ना. So we have one Steve Jobs there, we have maybe Narayan Murthy here, we have probably Bill Gates there. So it's an era, right?
Yes.
And maybe after 100 years we look upon this generation, this was the IT generation. है ना? So you'll be surprised. During the British it was the generation of lawyers. सब जगह lawyers ही कवर पे थे. देखा आपने?
Yes.
जिन्ना, मोदी,
Gandhi.
गांधी. Savarkar was a lawyer.
Tilak was
Tilak was a lawyer. Patel was a lawyer. So that generation is of lawyers. This generation is of This generation of Chanakya was basically scholarly generation. And this is the same generation finally that got created books like Kama Sutra of Vatsyayana, Panchatantra, lot of books. And some people that mix match it also, saying that ये जो अर्थशास्त्र लिखा ना, उसी ने कामा सूत्र लिखा होगा, उसी ने पंचतंत्र लिखा होगा. See, once you become successful, everybody thinks he is a leader. इतना fact है everyone will be. Because Panchatantra is also our Rajaniti. How to teach the children leadership. True stories. अब कामा सूत्र में जो chapters है उसमें भी है. Sanika Daksha. So you will see there is a lot of knowledge accumulation that happened. But Chanakya is stalwart. जैसे बॉम्बे यूनिवर्सिटी में hundreds of professors, right? But one or two shine out, है ना? So head is like the vice chancellor, right? So what I'm saying, when you're getting into this book ना, ये जो है, ये वाला book, इसमें you suddenly start visualizing yourself. It's like watching Bajirao Mastani. You get into that era, isn't it? It's a complete, तो आपको mentally वो visualize करना है कि चाणक्य ने लिखा वो पूरा era कैसे था. तो इसमें आगे जाके बोलते हैं the state of Kautilya, the author and the date, society and its social life, state economy, state administration, law and administration of justice, internal security, defense and external affairs, and concluding remarks. And go to page number 285. It's called bibliography. Please go to how many books he referred to by writing book. देखा? So many अर्थशास्त्र कांगले जी रेफर टू, उनके पहले भी काम हुआ है. देखा कितने सारे ट्रांसलेशन तमिल में, रशियन में, तेलुगु में, जर्मन में, इटालियन में. दिख रहा है आपको? इटालियन का रेफरेंस इंग्लिश, हिंदी, गुजराती, इटालियन, कन्नड़ा, मलयालम, मराठी, ओडिया, रशियन, तमिल, तेलुगु. ये तो इनका है, इन्होंने उतना ही देखा, उसके पहले और भी नहीं.
Why need to refer so many languages in you?
सिर्फ पागलपन बोलते हैं उसको, स्कॉलरली पागलपन. एक बार वो नशा आ गया ना, मेरे पास 40 डिफरेंट वर्जन ऑफ अर्थशास्त्र है और मेरे को 41 देता था तो वो भी लेवल लग गया. सी इट्स ऑल्सो लव ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट, राइट? एंड बट लेट मी ऑल्सो टेल यू इन स्कॉलरली रिसर्च द मोर पर्सपेक्टिव्स यू हैव द मोर यू आर रेड इट्स बेटर फॉर यू. लीडरशिप का एक बुक पढ़ के लीडर नहीं होगा, 200 पढ़ोगे तो अलग ही आएगा और फिर 201 के पीछे भागो. ओके, सो दैट्स इट. So introducing you to what I would say is that this particular month, and it's not this particular month, or I would say this particular week to begin with, focus on this. घर पे 1 घंटा निकालो, सुबह शाम. क्या? नहीं, पूरा आप ऊपर रेफर कीजिए. I would suggest that book number 2 is your prime textbook that you should minimum refer to. But on book number 3 helps you to understand the whole thing. But I'm not telling it's a compulsion. But from next class onwards, ideally you should bring all 3. If you have a car, you can carry it. But book number 1 and 2, अगर लेके आए तो ठीक है, मुझे पता है वो भारी है. If not, minimum book number 2 लेके आए.
Both days we have to get it. Both days we have to get Saturday, Sunday.
I'll tell you the time. To begin with Saturday को तो लेके आओ. मेरा लेक्चर मैं आपको बता दूंगा. थोड़ा से कि this is minimum. ये नहीं भी लेके आए तो भी ठीक है. चलो ये आप रेफरेंस में पढ़ लो. ये सपोर्ट जैसे आपने बताया, सपोर्ट विल रेफर. बट ये मिनिमम लेके आओ. Two. And if you want to make it soft, soft copy, I don't know it's available or not, but ये same to same. So we are on the same page and the same language. और अंगराजन वाला कुछ अलग होगा, श्यामा ठंडो, we are all referring to the common text. Okay, just have 2 more minutes. Any queries, doubts as far as this book is concerned? One.
So you said there were 14 versions of Arthashastra.
No, there are not 14 versions. There are 14 Arthashastras before Chanakya.
Sorry, 14 Arthashastras. So all would have been in the same context or
Different context.
different
They are called Purvacharyas. Purva, before Acharya, the previous teachers of Arthashastra, and you will see Chanakya quoting them in the book also.
No, why I asked this question was like, was it like there was a different way of giving
So for example, there are different perspectives of how a Raja should be, right?
Correct.
Previous Acharya का अलग होगा, चाणक्य का अलग होगा, आपका अलग हो सकता है. Yeah.
Can we get a schedule of our lectures?
Evolve होगा, but I think
holidays,
yeah, I think by next week I should be able to give you. But for the time being, Saturday, Sunday, your time है. Anything else technically? As far as Arthashastra is concerned, so formally bind up. But I want to just tell you कि इसका admissions पूरा करना है, कर लीजिए. Some people wanted bank का letter. वो मुझे पता है. See, just keep myself और कार्तिक aware of it because I know some of the वो मैं कर रहा हूँ sort out. Technical problems आप छोड़ दीजिए. बाकी financial आप sort out कर दीजिए. Pay the fees. Now I'll be telling you that there is still, if somebody is interested beyond you, you still have openings because आप एक बार वो academic freeze हो गया ना, then you have to wait for the next cycle. ठीक है, so ये week में करना है, कर लीजिए. And just want to tell you that please write that Vivekananda thing and come. That's your Okay. The assignment is basically आज जो विवेकानंद का आपने लेक्चर देखा, ड्रामा देखा, is based on Swami Vivekananda's lecture in American Chicago World Parliament of Religion, right? My suggestion to you is that if you go on the internet, your books, or I have given a book, or anywhere, you can find the complete speech of Swami Vivekananda. It's a very short speech, 2.5, 3, 4 minutes time. Study karo, and then you write an assignment ki what did you learn from Swami Vivekananda's leadership. उन्होंने वर्ल्ड प्लेटफॉर्म में किया था, कंप्लीट बैकग्राउंड उनका लाइफ वो भी आपने देखा होगा. जस्ट राइट 650 to 1500 words, minimum 650, maximum 1500, but if you want to write more, please be open to it. I want to see what you have understood and also you develop your writing skills. That's the assignment.
Can you have a short discussion about that?
Yes,
Whatever you
next
saw?
class में लेंगे.
नहीं, अभी so that we can write it for.
Let's find a bit for now.
Okay.
But if you want to have a discussion, one line तो कर लेते हैं. What
So
exactly?
like what's bothering me that probably I got it wrong. His family was dependent on him to earn and feed them,
Yes.
and he left them and went
Yeah.
in search.
No,
So
what is not been shown in the drama, we had the same conflict. He had the same conflict. He goes to Ramakrishna Paramahamsa को बोलता है कि मुझको ना पैसे का बहुत प्रॉब्लम है. His father had died, sort of thing. And Ramakrishna Paramahamsa से उनको पूरा बोलते जा काली से मांग ले, कुछ पूछना है. वो जाता था नौकरी ढूंढने के लिए. और पता नहीं वो इतना ब्यूटी और भगवान का देख के वो भूल जाता था. मुझे ज्ञान दो, वैराग दो, भक्ति दो आता था. सेकंड टाइम आया, मतलब मांगा क्यों नहीं? पूरा ज्ञान दो, भक्ति वापस है. थर्ड टाइम. So whenever he goes, he is asking the highest. राजा के पास जाके 10 रुपया मांग नहीं सकता था. क्या हो गया? राजा बोले जो मांग रहे हैं मांग. क्योंकि राजा हाईएस्ट नॉलेज चाहिए, वो चाहिए. तो देन व्हाट इज नॉट कवर्ड इन द ड्रामा, ही कम्स बैक टू रामकृष्ण. रामकृष्ण अंडरस्टूड कि ये कुछ भी कर, अभी ये दुनिया का सोचने के बाद. रामकृष्ण प्रेसेस एक तुमको गारंटी देता हूँ, तो धन्य से होना तेरे घर पे कोई भी बेसिक नेसेसिटीज का प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. दे विल बी टेकन केयर. I mean, they will not become rich, that's a different thing. लेकिन उधर को खाने के प्रॉब्लम था ना. You remember there's a plague in Kolkata, also mentioned किया था. Very bad era. People used to die of hunger. In generation को तो पता भी नहीं hunger क्या है. Overeating वाला problem. No, but what I'm saying, he was blessed that you become a monk and then it will be taken care. In fact, there is a Bhagavad Gita ka shlok which says, "Name bhakta pranashyati." If you do my work, I'll take care of your work. So that means the family was taken care. So it's not a problem, but he became the spiritual leader of that generation.
We are supposed to write about just a speech or the
Speech and you are learning. Don't write the speech.
how was art of
They call it don't think too much, write.
Learning from the speech.
Okay, ज़्यादा आपने क्या सीखा, आपने क्या समझा? Let's say handwritten. No, right. ये exactly handwritten. जैसे आपने eligibility test दिया था, it has to be handwritten.
so computer we can calculate the words now.
Absolutely.
तो पहले टाइप कर, then you write it down.
No, see, this is preparing you. Okay, let me do it this way. Can you all type and bring it, all of you?
Yes. Yes.
But सब copy नहीं करना. अच्छा, इस बार आप काम करो, टाइप करके.
You see, it will be original.
That's it.
100%.
With the name written on that. But hard print out the name.
Yes, yes.
And I would suggest, sir, you also capture the soft copy later. For our records. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Yes.
Very good.
Teaching of right.
Your option.